Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to do a do-it-yourself, which I have mentioned on a, I don't know why it's moving, okay. I had mentioned on the Becca times Chrissy Teigen about the body oil and being able to do it yourself, kind of like the MAC Fix Plus Spray. So I went and bought this Johnson's baby oil gel. I did not buy the baby oil because it is, as you well know, really super oily. And I didn't want it to be super oily. So this is more of a gel consistent. It will still come out and it will still be able to rub around with the glitters I'm about to put in. So instead of breaking up a perfectly good glitter, I have some liquid ones. I have Iconic London and Makeup Forever Makeup London Obsession. And then I also have a couple of loose glitters. So any of them will work. This is the Shayla times ColourPop. And this is the Wet n Wild. So I want to go for kind of a summer color, almost like the Chrissy Teigen one. So to start off with that, I'm going to add the really kind of bronzy shimmer looking one. And we'll start off with the liquid. And I don't think it really matters how much you add. This is quite a big bottle. It is 6.5 fluid ounces and it is $4.99. I got this at Walgreens. So we are going to do it ourselves. I'm going to add this because this has a really beautiful shimmer to it. They are coming out with so many body gels with glitter, body oils with glitter. I just feel like it is such a simple concoction to do it yourself at home. I like this one. This one is really gold looking, so we're going to add that. This is when it gets a little bit messy, so I have a towel here and I'm just going to add it. I am doing it over a towel, mind you. Just got to get it going, get it out. It's going in. There's a lot going in there. Now, I'm not worried about using up a lot of this glitter because for one, it's a loose glitter and there's a lot in there. And for two, it is ColourPop and ColourPop is very affordable. And three, I have a ton of glitter. Then I wanted to add this really beautiful Wet n Wild one because it's a really light gold. So we're going to take that and kind of pouring this in. I could use a spoon, but I choose to be messy, like I'm running a science lab here. And I do have a towel underneath, mind you, on my desk. We're going to see how this shakes up because I did add quite a bit. So I'm going to put the lid on. As you can see, there's quite a bit in here. And I love how the lid comes off and then it has this little spout. So let's shake this up. Make sure you hold the lid because you don't want it flying open, which it probably wouldn't, but you just never know. Wow. Whoa. Look at that. You talk about shimmer. And this is the Shea Times Cocoa Butter. So they do smell good and they have a green one, which is the aloe. I chose the Shea one. If I'm saying it wrong, oh well. So you are going to get a scent from this. Now I want to make sure I wipe off my hands and everything really good. I'm still going to shimmer a little because a lot of it got on my hand. But we are going to see, let's do it right here on my arm. Okay, see how it dispenses and it doesn't pour like massive oil? And then we go, whoop, I just dropped it. Wow, look at that. That is beautiful. You can see the shimmer in there. Let me get the bottle that fell. I absolutely love this. This is amazing. It smells, oh my God, it smells so good. Just like cocoa butter. And it feels so soothing. It is a little bit on the tacky, oily side. So I really wouldn't recommend it if you're gonna go to the beach. You're gonna have sand or whatever stick to you. But I absolutely love it. I'm gonna do it on my other arm so we can match. But if you're interested in the body oils that are being released left and right for the summer, this is such a simple, easy way to do it yourself. $4.99, and you can even break up a pressed glitter if you wanted to. Like if you have a Wet n Wild one, they're very affordable. Like the Wet n Wild loose glitter one I use. I'm just slathering myself in it because it smells and it feels so good. You see that? You can see little glitter specks. I'd say this is definitely comparable to the Becca Chrissy Teigen one. I absolutely think this is so amazing. I love this. I might buy another one just to get a different color going out of it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I totally recommend doing it yourself. You don't need to go spend $42 on the Becca one or even more on the Fenty Body Lava, which I don't even think is still available anymore. That one was so sticky though. This is not that sticky. It's drying down. It is a little bit oily, but oh my gosh, amazing, amazing do it yourself. I am super happy with this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and leave in the comments below if you may try this as well, and let me know what yours comes out like, because I think it is freaking phenomenal. I'm super happy with it. And make sure you're subscribed if you enjoy my videos. Follow me on over to Instagram, SusanYoung1974, Twitter, SusanYoung2174. And just make sure you leave comments, because the 1,000 subscriber giveaway is coming up live very soon. And tomorrow is the deadline for the 4th of July. And I have a superb prize. So I hope you guys get your entries in. Tomorrow ends at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You guys have a wonderful day. And I really enjoy this do-it-yourself. I'm gonna just like slather it on my neck. It feels so good and it smells so beautiful. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Bye.